Hello, it's Eric with Team Funky Monkey here with the recap for day 2 from the 2024 Cycle for the Cause. This is day 2, so we started at Mohegan Sun in Uncasville, Connecticut, and we were going to Stanford, Connecticut, 121 miles with over 5,300 feet of climbing. So before today, we had the option of either riding the whole thing, which the vast majority did, and so proud of them. They were amazing. Or you could break the day up and do either the first half or the second half. I decided to do the first half, biking to lunch, which is 47 miles. Yesterday was actually my 4-month anniversary of getting my new hip. So I want to end strong. I'm just grateful to be here, nothing to prove. And I want to end strong tomorrow. So I opted for that. Let's get to the recap. So the day started about 4:45 after about a 7.5 hour sleep, which, my gosh, I had the best night's sleep last night and I've had in a long time. Again, woke up to my traditional Circle of Life from the Lion King musical. Really just a great way to get the day started because today's a big day. It's day 2, and what that means for Cycle for the Cause is that it's dress red. Or, as all gays want to do, it's called Red Dress Day. My roommate is coming in. Yeah. Normally I do this downstairs, but because there was a screaming child that wouldn't be quiet in the hallway, I have to come up here and annoy my roommate for the next, hopefully, just 4 minutes. So we started the day with Circle of Life from the Lion King musical, and then from there, got dressed for Red Dress Day. So last year, Team Funky Monkey did Tina Turner, and I did not get the wig, and so my goddaughter's family FedExed overnight to the hotel so that I would have my costume complete with the wig. This year they were going to do Baywatch, and I'm like, I'm sorry, it's far too cold for that. So I just did more of like a biking chaps and cool jacket. And it was fun because it ended up being a very cold and rainy morning. Again, I only did that first half, and within my first 10 miles, or at mile 10 as I was going up a hill, I'm like, is that water or is that air coming out of my front tire? Yeah, I got a flat. And because it's a bike new from last year, it's a tubeless tire, so my tire irons don't fix the flat. So I had to be swept to the rest stop 1, and who was in my sweet van but Dr. Carla Smith, our new CEO. So I was able to get some great one-on-one time with her again, and just we're so grateful to have her because she's such a great person to have lead us now, especially for what I'm about to talk to you about later. But first and foremost, what a great day. Normally you'll hear me say it's a great day for real estate. But on this ride, it is a great day to ride a bike. And it's a great day to raise money for the center because they provide such great life-changing programs for so many people. It was another medical incident-free day, second in a row. So for 2 of these to be on any ride is incredible. For them to be back-to-back is amazing. So we need to continue to make good decisions. The ride actually started when we were in the huge loading dock of Mohegan Sun. They created an aisle, and from last night's vigil, you bring the bike. The riderless bike comes up through it, and that's how we start our day. It is a day of remembrance for those we've lost, and I also use it as a day of reflection for me to remember those in my life that I've lost and that have had a great impact. So this ride is, while it's great for all the fundraising it does, it's great for you personally because you get a lot of thinking done, a lot of strategy to think about. And also, where do you want to go from here? Many of you know, or you might not know on this recording, ALC, AIDS Life Cycle, after 30 plus years is no longer going to exist after next year. They've already announced it's the last year. But Dr. Carla Smith announced tonight, Cycle for the Cause is here to stay. And that's amazing. That was part of my conversation with her this morning, is we're looking into new ways of how we can include more people and really make this a stronger ride. So I'm really looking forward to the future of that. I can't say I'm going to ride next year because I might have a couple other things going on, but we need your help. I know I'm only at $1,575 out of a $3,000 minimum. If you haven't donated yet, hey, guess what? You've got a lot more time. So you know the link. Please consider making this a contribution. It is important for New Yorkers. And again, yes, it's the LGBTQ plus community center, but it's really for everybody. Everybody in our community, they don't turn anybody away. Housing, insurance, financial, so many things that they provide as far as being the connector to those services. So I am now at almost 6 minutes. Thank you. I can't wait for tomorrow's recap, and we're riding into Manhattan, 54 miles. So see you then.